What if I told you there's a banking solution specifically designed to amplify your nonprofit's impact, freeing you from the shackles of traditional banking fees and cumbersome processes? A solution that understands your unique mission and offers tools to help you achieve it more effectively? For years, nonprofits have navigated a financial landscape often ill-suited to their needs. You've faced high transaction fees that chip away at donor contributions, complex approval processes that slow down critical operations, and a general lack of understanding from financial institutions regarding the unique ebb and flow of grant funding and fundraising cycles. You're pouring your heart and soul into making a difference, yet your bank often feels like another hurdle, not a partner. Think about it. Every dollar spent on bank fees is a dollar not going to your programs, not feeding a hungry family, not educating a child, not protecting our planet. Every hour spent wrestling with clunky online banking systems is an hour not spent on outreach, grant writing, or volunteer coordination. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a drain on your resources, a subtle erosion of your potential impact. The traditional banking model, built primarily for profit-driven businesses, simply doesn't align with the nonprofit ethos. It's a square peg in a round hole, and frankly, it's held many organizations back from reaching their full potential. But what if there was a banking partner that understood this fundamental difference? A partner that was built from the ground up with the specific financial realities and aspirations of nonprofits in mind? This isn't just a hypothetical question anymore. We're here today to talk about Relay Bank, a groundbreaking banking platform that is fundamentally changing how nonprofits manage their finances, allowing them to focus more on their mission and less on their banking. So, what exactly is Relay Bank and why is it such a game changer for nonprofits? At its core, Relay Bank is an online banking platform designed to streamline financial operations for organizations of all sizes, but it truly shines for nonprofits. Imagine a banking experience where every feature, every tool, every aspect of the platform is tailored to the unique challenges and opportunities faced by charitable organizations. That's Relay. Let's dive into some of the key features that set Relay Bank apart. First and foremost, let's talk about fees, or rather, the lack thereof. One of the biggest drains on nonprofit resources is often hidden in plain sight: bank fees. Monthly maintenance fees, transaction fees, wire transfer fees, they add up. Relay Bank offers a fee structure that is incredibly favorable to nonprofits. Many of its core services come with no monthly fees and transparent, low fees for specific transactions like wire transfers. This immediate reduction in overhead means more of your hard-earned funds go directly to your programs, amplifying your impact without even trying. This isn't just a small saving. For many organizations, it can represent a significant reallocation of funds, directly translating into more services, more outreach, more good. Beyond the cost savings, let's talk about efficiency. Time is a precious commodity for any nonprofit. Every minute spent on administrative tasks is a minute not spent advancing your mission. Relay Bank is built for efficiency. Its intuitive online platform allows for seamless account management, whether you're managing multiple funds, tracking grant expenditures, or simply processing everyday transactions. The user interface is clean, modern, and designed for ease of use, even for those who might not consider themselves tech-savvy. You can set up multiple checking accounts, each with its own dedicated account number, to better manage different grants, programs, or restricted funds. This level of granular control is often a manual, time-consuming process with traditional banks, involving endless spreadsheets and reconciliation nightmares. With Relay, it's built in, making your financial reporting and auditing significantly simpler. And speaking of multiple accounts, think about the power of having dedicated accounts for specific grants or projects. No more commingling of funds, no more headaches trying to decipher which expense belongs to which grant. Relay Bank allows you to easily create and manage these sub-accounts, providing unparalleled clarity and simplifying your grant reporting and compliance. This feature alone can save countless hours during audit season and provide immense peace of mind, knowing your financial records are meticulously organized and transparent. Imagine presenting your financial statements to a potential donor or grantor with such clarity. It builds trust and demonstrates impeccable stewardship of their contributions. Another crucial aspect for nonprofits is team collaboration and control. You often have multiple team members who need access to banking information, from executive directors to program managers to finance staff. Traditional banks often make this difficult, requiring shared logins or complex authorization processes. Relay Bank offers robust user management features. You can grant different levels of access to different team members, allowing them to view transactions, make payments, or even manage specific accounts, all while maintaining complete control and oversight. This ensures that the right people have the right level of access, promoting efficiency without compromising security or accountability. You can set up custom approval workflows for payments, ensuring that every transaction is reviewed and approved by the necessary parties before it goes out. This level of internal control is invaluable for maintaining financial integrity and preventing errors or misuse of funds. Let's also consider the importance of accurate and timely financial reporting. Nonprofits are held to a high standard of transparency, and accurate financial statements are crucial for demonstrating accountability to donors, grantors, and the public. Relay Bank offers powerful reporting tools that can generate detailed transaction histories, expense reports, and cash flow statements with just a few clicks. This not only saves time but also provides valuable insights into your organization's financial health, allowing you to make more informed decisions about resource allocation and future planning. Imagine being able to pull up a comprehensive report on all expenses related to a specific program in seconds, rather than sifting through months of bank statements. This empowers you to better understand your spending patterns, identify areas for optimization, and ultimately, make your impact even greater. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.